In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a column in Tableau using a calculated field or auto split. Whether you're just getting started with Tableau or you want to refine your data visualization skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process in clear and manageable steps, all within just 5 minutes. First, let's go ahead and open the Tableau public app on your computer. This is your starting point for creating and manipulating data visualizations. Once you have the app open, the next move is to access your worksheet. This is where the real magic happens, as the worksheet is your canvas where you'll craft and interact with data. Now that you have your worksheet ready, start by dragging the customer name field to the rows section. This action helps you arrange your data visually by customer, one of the foundational steps in organizing how your data appears. Following that, drag the order ID into the rows section as well. By lining up both customer names and order IDs in the rows, you begin structuring your data in a more digestible format, which is beneficial for comparing different sets of information effortlessly. Now, move the quantity field to the columns section. By doing this, you shift your data's layout, making it easier to analyze quantities in conjunction with the previously organized rows of customer names and order IDs. Afterwards, position the order date as a filter. Filtering by order date allows you to focus on specific time periods, narrowing down your data to the ranges you find most relevant for your analysis. Similarly, add the region field to your filters. This enables you to concentrate on specific geographical areas, providing insights tailored to different regions your data may cover. Thus, by filtering by both date and region, you refine your dataset to better meet specific analytical needs. Next, navigate to the Analysis menu and click on Create Calculated Field. This option is crucial when it comes to calculated fields, which are designed specifically for modifying and creating new dimensions in your data based on certain calculations or conditions you specify. Give your new field a descriptive name and type in the necessary query. Once you're satisfied with its setup, click on OK to save it. This step finalizes the creation of your calculated field. Finally, drag this new calculated field to the rows section, positioning it right after the customer name. This ensures your new calculation aligns with existing data fields, enhancing your dataset without disrupting its flow. And there you have it. You can, in fact, apply this process to both customer names and order IDs, offering a versatile approach to data manipulation in Tableau. These steps help cultivate a nimble and efficient way to handle your data, empowering you to deliver insightful and actionable visualizations with ease. This method enhances your ability to split data effectively, reinforcing your overall data analysis capabilities within Tableau.